Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So Share the Love Project episode number 1, season 1 has come to a close. I started Share the Love Project about a month and a half ago or so. And basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to get people who do reviews, product reviews in tech, phones and devices that they probably wouldn't normally purchase that I've reviewed that are actually really good at a very low price point. Now, I started this off by just posting my initial video and letting you guys know this is what I'm doing. Leave a comment down below on that video and you could possibly be selected. So I ended up picking 3 people. The first person was Pristine Tech. The next was Reggie U. And then after that, it was the Tech Couple. So all of these people now have their video reviews out on this device. So it's time for you to vote. Now, what I didn't really disclose too much in the initial video is there will be a winner and there will be a prize. I'm going to stay out of this. I'm going to let you guys vote. So in the links of this video, you'll see links to their video reviews of this phone. And then also you'll see a link to Google+. Go check out their videos and then hit Google+ and vote for the one that you think did the best job. Competition is great. I mean, everyone can't win the big prize, but there is a big prize. So I'll reveal that in another video. A nice financial gain for one of the winners. So you guys be fair in your voting. Really give your honest opinion about who you think. It's not about, I guess I shouldn't say who's better than the next, but who did a really good job at how they handled the review of the phone, and which one makes you really believe they were being genuine. Because on my channel, I'm 100% genuine in what I'm saying. And sometimes people think I'm kind of swayed a little bit because I got something free, or you know how the tech world and review products go. But these phones that I'm reviewing here, a lot of the phones that I review are under 300 bucks. Some of them are under 200 bucks. And this one that I sent them is a premium device. It's just not technically made for the US, but it works here. So Pristine Tech, Reggie U, and the Tech Couple, congratulations for completing episode 1. Now there is going to be, like I said, a nice prize for the winner of this episode 1. And the winner of this episode will automatically be entered, and you'll have first crack at the next episode 2. So we're going to kick this ball off like this. We're going to get it rolling like this with this smartphone. So remember, hit the links in the description. Go watch their videos and then hit the Google+ link in the description as well. And vote. Vote. That's all you have to do. The poll will go up. You guys vote on the one that you want. And the winner will be chosen by you guys. So I think all of these people who got chosen, who were selected for this Share the Love Project episode 1, all of them are great. All of you who did not get picked doesn't mean you're out for episode 2. It just means that you didn't get picked this time. So just try again. Always come in with an open mind that, you know, my odds of winning are very low. So that way you set an expectation for yourself. So the next thing that for episode 2, it's going to be a little different, but it's still going to be fun. So we'll see how that works. But for now, I need you guys to hit the links in the description. So there's 4 links that you'll hit. You'll hit the 3 reviews by those people that I named off, and then you'll hit the video, the link on Google+, the poll, to vote for the one you like the best. So it's your man Jay Will. Share the Love Project episode 1 is now complete. Good. It's a wrap.